Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Rehbe Group of Institution, Akola. Student, today we are going to study a new lesson of Standard 4th. The Hare and the Tortoise. On page number 17. Student, listen and read aloud. The Hare and the Tortoise were friends. One day, they both decided to have a race. Once a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. The hare said to the tortoise, "You are so slow and I am so fast. Let us run a race up to the mango tree." Tortoise think, and after a while he accepted the hare's challenge. And he asked to the hare, "What will be the finishing point, ending point?" Hare said, "We will run a race up to the mango tree." Tortoise said, "Yes, I accepted your challenge. Let us start a race." Hare was so happy, he think that the tortoise was foolish and he accepted my challenge. And they both started the race. They began the race. The race began. The hare ran with long leaps. Hop, hop, hop. They started the race. 1, 2, 3, start. You can see in the picture that tortoise was so fast. The hare was so fast. And the tortoise was very slow. Tortoise hare run with long leaps. Hop, hop, hop. He jump and run fast. But tortoise don't have long legs. Tortoise has very short legs. He walk very slowly. The tortoise walked slowly. Plopped, plopped, plopped. The hare came to a carrot patch. Hare ran fast and watch out to a carrot patch. He saw a carrot patch. Yummy! What lovely red carrots! The tortoise is far behind. I shall eat a few carrots. Now what the hare is thinking? He is thinking that tortoise is so far behind. I shall eat few carrots. It's so juicy and reddish. But he ate a lot of carrots. Crunch, crunch, crunch. While eating, he think, I will eat few, but he ate a lot. He enjoyed it very much. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Then the hare came to a radish patch. Look, what juicy white radishes! I shall eat only a few. What do you think? The hare think that first I eat carrots. Now, what lovely white radishes! I must eat few. I shall eat few. It's so juicy. But he ate up quite a few. He started eating and eat few. Then the hare came to another vegetable patch. Fresh! Oh, lovely vegetables! So good to eat. So he ate up quite a few. Munch, munch, munch. He enjoyed eating vegetables. And he ate with fresh and he enjoyed it very much. The hare was now too full. He ran hoppity, hop, itty, hop, hop, itty, hop. He ate such a lot of things. Now he feels very tired and he can't walk properly. He can't hop. But he's still walking, hoppity, hop. He was feeling very sleepy. Students, when you eat a lot, you also feel sleepy. You can't play running, football after eating food. In this way, the hare is also feeling very sleepy because he ate a lot of things and too much. So he was feeling very sleepy. He think, I shall take a little nap. What he think? He think, oh, the tortoise is so behind. I shall take a nap, little nap. He watched here and there and he saw a tree, a mango tree. No, sorry, not a mango tree. He saw a tree and he slept under that tree. All this while, the tortoise didn't stop. He walked on and on. You know, students, all this hare is doing all these things, eating, sleeping, walking, hopping. What do you think? He thinks that tortoise is so slow. I must take a nap. But tortoise is so intelligent. He thinks that I am so slow and I must not take a nap. I should walk. I shall walk till I can't finish the race. He didn't stop anywhere. He didn't take a nap. He didn't eat anything. He walked on and on. The tortoise reached the mango tree. You can see in the picture, students, the tortoise came to the finishing point, that is the mango tree. You can see mangoes on the tree. The hare woke up. He ran to the mango tree. In this picture, first picture, you can see that the tortoise reached up to the mango tree. The hare wake up. When hare was taking a nap, tortoise didn't stop anywhere. He walked and he came to the finishing point up to the mango tree. But when the hare wake up, he started running. He ran to the mango tree. What did the hare see? You can see here. What did the hare see? He saw that the tortoise reached first up to the mango tree. The tortoise said, ha ha ha, slow, but study wins the race. The student, what lesson we got? Slow, but study wins the race. If you work hard, you make your aim of your life that I have to complete this thing, I have to achieve something in life. You should work hard and didn't take a rest while work. You should work hard for your aim to achieve your aim, and you can complete and you can achieve your aim. So work hard until you can achieve your aim. Best of luck your aim. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share it. Allah Hafiz.